Hello, I'm black. You know what it is. Melanated business, baby. Now let's get it. Hey y'all, so I'm back with another small black owned business here on TikTok, and this one is for Ebony's Hair and Beauty. Yes, y'all heard that right. We spinning the block again. Now let's get it. I don't know if y'all remember when I said this. Y'all, if her skincare is this good, I'm excited to see what the hair care is hitting for. She sent over their co-wash cleanser, and I'm going to be 100 with y'all. I am not a co-wash girl. I do not use co-wash. I do not subscribe to the use of co-wash. But these are results from that co-wash that I did. And we're now on day 3, I believe. And y'all, I absolutely love it. I'm not even going to lie. I love it. Let's also mention, I feel like it was a great base for the products that I was putting on it. I put it to the true test because I did not use a whole product line after. I actually just used a random leave-in, a random oil, and a random gel. And as you guys can see, 3 days later, these are the results. I washed my hair on Wednesday. We're now at Saturday. So as you guys can see, the co-wash was amazing. Y'all already know how this goes. I'm going to link all her information down in the description. So you definitely need to check this out, especially if you have been on the hunt for a new co-wash. And as always, I'll see y'all later.
You got me feeling something real, and I can't escape now, and I can't escape now. And when I spend with you,